Hi guys, today I'm doing a review on the Lego Star Wars Commando Battle Pack. This set comes with 4 people, a mini cannon with the new Gatling blaster. Let me show you the box. This set is number 75088, ages 6 to 12. Has 106 pieces. You can see there's a new Gatling shooter and all the Senate Commandos. On the top we have other box. We have this new Captain Senate Commando. He's actual size. Let me get the actual. Let me get the actual. Same thing. Back of the box. It's right damaged. There's the actual photos. Shows some play features a little bit. And there's then it says there's like 20 studs. There's 20 active studs, and 4 blasters. Sorry, just whole box. The set comes with 1 instruction manual. They changed the wind though. They made this new guy thing. I'm gonna compare that wind thing to one of these. This is the set. Then before it was like this, and now they changed it to this. But I think the old one looks better. That's my opinion. Comes with some extra pieces. There was more extra studs, but I just put them somewhere in one of my boxes. Then all the characters are these. There's 2. The captain has the captain. Here's the captain. Here's the front of the guy. Here's the back of the guy. They're pretty much the same thing. But the face is different from all the... it has new smiling face. From the one to this guy. From the one to this guy, it has this face. The normal face. Which they used before. His gun, all they did was added this thing to the new blaster. That's all they did. Sorry if you hear stuff. My sisters are going somewhere. They're all the same Senate Commandos. Same. Then this cannon, you can move the legs up. Oops. Up, down. You can swing this thing around. You can place a minifigure inside. You can also hold a gun here. And also, you can make the gun go up and down. Let me show you. Then I'm going to show you right now the Gatling gun. How they fuse together. So, all you need to do is pull that. And then, all you need to do is like swirl the thing that's at the back. And then they all just shoot. You can see that when this whirls, there's this little line there, this little stick sort of thing, and when it hits it, it just shoots at them. That's the whole review. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, share with your friends and families. Travel the whole world. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.